Welcome back to Gearhead Galaxy, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Whether you're a road trip junkie, a camper van enthusiast, or someone who simply loves innovation in the auto world, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the upcoming Toyota Motorhome 2026, a highly anticipated release that's generating a lot of buzz in the RV and adventure community. We'll be exploring the reviews, specs, and features that are shaping this motorhome into one of the most talked about vehicles for the new era of travel. The Toyota Motorhome 2026 is expected to blend the reliability and efficiency Toyota is known for with the comfort and utility of a fully equipped motorhome. From early looks and leaks, it's clear Toyota is taking a modern approach, focusing on sustainability, tech integration, and clever use of space. This vehicle is designed to appeal to both seasoned road travelers and those new to the motorhome lifestyle. Let's start with the performance and specs. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is rumored to be powered by a hybrid engine, potentially a refined version of Toyota's proven hybrid technology that's been adapted for larger vehicles. This should provide an excellent balance between power and fuel efficiency, something that's critical for long road trips. Some sources also suggest an all-electric version may be in the works, targeting eco-conscious travelers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing mobility or comfort. In terms of size and capacity, it seems Toyota is opting for a compact yet spacious design. The motorhome is expected to feature a smart layout that maximizes every inch of interior space. We're talking about a multi-functional living area that easily converts between a lounge, dining space, and sleeping quarters. The kitchenette is likely to be well equipped, with energy-efficient appliances, a dual-burner stove, microwave, and a decent-sized fridge, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Comfort and tech are front and center in the 2026 model. The motorhome should include a touchscreen command center to control everything from lighting to climate, as well as solar panels integrated into the roof for renewable energy on the go. Expect smart storage solutions throughout, hidden compartments, and foldable furniture designed to save space while adding utility. With Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple charging ports, and possibly even an integrated infotainment system, this vehicle is being designed for both work and play on the road. Safety is another strong point. Toyota has a history of prioritizing advanced safety features, and the 2026 motorhome is expected to follow suit. Look out for adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, and maybe even a 360-degree camera setup to make maneuvering such a large vehicle much easier. These features will be a game changer for newer RV drivers who might be intimidated by the idea of handling a motorhome. Interior materials are expected to be both durable and stylish, combining function with aesthetics. With eco-friendly upholstery options, LED lighting throughout, and possibly even voice control for key features, Toyota is likely to push the limits of what a modern motorhome can be. Exterior design cues borrow from Toyota's SUV and truck lines, giving the motorhome a rugged yet sleek look that stands out on the road. Initial reviews and reactions from industry insiders have been very positive. Test drivers who've gotten early access to prototypes praise the vehicle's smooth handling, quiet cabin, and intuitive controls. Enthusiasts are excited about the possibility of factory customization options that will allow buyers to tailor the motorhome to their specific needs, whether they're weekend warriors or full-time nomads. While pricing has not been officially confirmed, expectations are that it will be competitive within the mid to high-end motorhome market. Considering Toyota's reputation for long-lasting vehicles and the features being packed into this model, it's shaping up to be a strong value proposition. That's it for today's deep dive into the Toyota Motorhome 2026. If you're as excited about this release as we are, let us know in the comments. Have questions, ideas, or something you want us to review next? Drop it below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow gearheads, and most importantly, subscribe to Gearhead Galaxy so you never miss an update on the latest rides and road-ready innovations.